How to make your cover photos private on Facebook. Hi everybody, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how easy it is to make your cover photo private on your Facebook account. So first of all, open up your Facebook application and then tap on these three lines at the top right corner, and after that go over straight to your Facebook profile. So to show you guys how to do it from the beginning, I'm going to change my cover picture. In order to do that, make sure to tap on your current cover picture and then upload your new photo as your new cover. And then after that, all you guys need to do is to turn off this button where it says share your update to newsfeed. After that, at the top right corner, click on save. Now all you guys need to do is to tap on your cover photo and then click on view profile cover. And then at the top right corner, click on the three little dots, then click on edit privacy. So then you can change the privacy settings of your cover photos. So from over here, you have different choices, but if you want to make your cover photos private, then click on only me button. That means the only one that can view your cover photos is you, and that's pretty much it. So guys, that is how easy to make your cover pictures private on Facebook. If you guys found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to give a like and subscribe to the channel. That will be much appreciated. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.